So what if I'm out past curfew? What are the cops gonna do? Arrest me for walking my freaking dog, man? You know I always let him out before I go to bed anyways, so what's the big deal? Look, no one is out here and it's just me and the dog. It's not like anything is. Wag! Hot dog! Shit, man, I'm gonna have to call you back. I just lost the dog. Hot dog! Hot dog! Hot dog! Come on, hot dog, this isn't funny. Come out, man. Hot dog! Okay, if there's someone out here who stole my dog, this isn't funny at all. What the hell? Hey! Hey, you, buddy! Did you take my dog? Hey! I know you can hear me, jackass! I swear, if you did anything to my dog, I'm gonna beat your ass! I'm not kidding, man. If you took my dog or worse, hurt him, things are not gonna go well for you. Screw this. Come here, you. 911, what's your emergency? Yeah, I think my boyfriend is missing. He went out to go walk the dog like an hour ago and he hasn't come back. Okay, ma'am, please calm down. Are you sure he hasn't just stopped at the grocery store to go get something at the last minute? Or. No, I swear to you, my boyfriend only takes like 5 minutes to walk the dog. He's done this for years, I swear. What the hell? Ma'am, is something wrong? Oh my god. Oh my god. Ma'am, what's wrong? The dog! It just came through the dog door. Oh my god, it's covered in blood! Oh my god! Please get an ambulance out here right now, please! The dog is covered in blood! Oh my god!